Good morning, class. Today we will resume from where we had left, and you all can turn your page in your book, page number 204. Now, what I am going to teach is given there on page 204. So, turn to that page. Okay, you can see this kind of diagram over there. So, I will come to that later on. First, let me explain to you here. We are going to study over here about something known as pattern, or even you can call it as a formula. Okay, now these formulas are very important in algebra. Now, what are these formulas? We will learn. Now, pattern is something that when you see, you can predict what will happen next. Okay, by seeing some 2 or 3 results, you can predict what will be the 4th result, or seeing the 4 results, you can predict the 5th result, like that. So 2 or 3 cases when you observe, then after that you will know what's the pattern. Okay, it's like you see a particular teacher. Now I know students observe their teacher very closely. So a teacher may not have very many clothes. So he wears, say, a blue blue shirt on Monday, then a green shirt on Tuesday, and then a maroon t-shirt on the next day. Then again wears the same blue t-shirt the next day. Then what will be the shirt on the 5th day? First day blue, second day what did I say? Green, third day maroon, 4th day blue, then what will be the next? Again green t-shirt. So students must have observed this teacher, and then they know what color of shirt the teacher is going to wear which day. So this is something that I can give an example of pattern. Okay, pattern is some generalized view that you get by observing something. Okay, in algebra we use this pattern very much. Okay, so I am going to present to you the same thing, that is the example that is given on page 204. Now all of you look at the blackboard here, and at the same time you can look in your book also. Now here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cases given. Okay. In the first case you see there is just one dot. In the second you see along with this one dot 3 more dots are coming. Third case, you have this 1 dot, 3 dots, and the same thing is here. But along with this, you have 5 more dots. So as you see the cases, the first case there was just 1. Then another 3 came. So along with this 1, the next number 3 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number. The next set of dots that is coming in the next line, 3 dots, that 3 also is an odd number. Then the next case here, 1, 3, already it was there. Along with that, another 5 more dots came. You can see here I have written down 1 dot, 3 more dots, so 1 plus 3. Then along with this 1 plus 3, 5 more dots, so 1 plus 3 plus 5. Then again in the next case, you have 1, 3, 5, and along with that 7. So you see odd numbers are adding, odd number of dots are adding in each case. First case 1 is an odd number. Then 3 more dots were added, that 3 is also an odd number. Then 5 more dots were added, this 5 also is an odd number. Then 7 more dots were added, this 7 also is an odd number. So what will be the next case then? What do you think? What will be the next case? It will be something like this: 1 dot, 3 dots, 5 dots, 7 dots. Then 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number, 5 and 7. Then the next odd number is what? 9. So 9 more dots will be added. See? So I think you understood here. The cases over here, there are now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases given. This last case that I just now drew, first 1 dot, then 3 more dots, then 5 more dots, 7 dots, and at the end 9 more dots. I hope you get it. So let us now analyze this dots in the form of table. You can see over here how many cases are there that I have written here on top. Number of odd numbers. Here these are all odd numbers. How many cases? That many odd numbers are there. So in the first one, the number of dots, number of odd number is 1. Then how many odd numbers? 2. Then 3. So here that's what I have written. 1 odd number, here 1. 2 odd numbers, 2. 3 odd numbers, so 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 odd numbers, 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd numbers, 5. The next will be, it will go on and on. So this is how the first row. The first row is in the table. It is the number of odd numbers. Okay. The second one, total number of dots. See, in this first one, how many dots? 1 dot. So 1. In the second case, how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 dots. In the third one, how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9. The fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 dots. So here 16 dots. Similarly, what would be the number of dots here? In your book is given as question mark. Okay. So I am not giving question mark, I am leaving it empty. So we can fill it. So how many dots are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 dots. Then what will be the number of dots in this case? Okay, in this case, what will be the number of dots? That we can predict. That's what I was telling. Okay, the pattern, by looking at the pattern, you can predict what will be the result in the next case. So let us now see from here. Okay, number of odd numbers 1. How many dots? 1. Number of odd numbers how many? 2. Here I have written 2 odd numbers are there, 1 and 3. The 2 odd numbers, how many dots? 4. 4 dots. Second case, how many odd numbers are given? 1, 3, 5. How many? 1, 1, 1. 3 odd numbers. So here 3. And how many dots are there? 9. So now let's come to the pattern. The pattern is how many odd numbers multiplied again with the same. Like here 1 odd number. So 1 into 1, 2 times multiplied. 2 odd numbers. So 2 into 2. So how many dots? 4 dots. How many odd numbers here? 1, 2, 3 odd numbers. So multiply it 2 times again. So 3 3 is 9 dots. See, I am not counting here. Without counting, by looking at the pattern, I am predicting how many dots will be there. Without counting. No counting. Just calculating. In the next case, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 odd numbers are there. So 4 multiplied again with itself. 4. So 16 dots will be there. See, I didn't count. I didn't count 1 by 1 now in this. Now that I am counting, I am calculating how many dots. I am not counting them. I am just calculating by pattern. Now in this next case, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd numbers are there. So 5 multiplied by again with 5. 25 dots will be there. Alright. Now in the next case, which is not drawn over here, we don't have to draw all of them. How many dots will be there? Okay. I think it's better that I draw and show you. Okay. So how many odd numbers are there? 1. So how many total dots? I haven't counted at all. I hope you all can see. I haven't counted. I just drew the dots. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 6. It's like odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So how many dots will be there? First count how many odd numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 odd numbers. So multiply again with 6. That is the pattern. The number of odd numbers will be there. That multiplied by itself again. So 5 odd numbers were there. So 5 into 5. 4 odd numbers were there. So 4 into 4. So in this case, how many dots will be there? 6 into 6, 36. Let us verify. Now let us count them individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And that's exactly what we got here also. When you count manually, then also 36. When you put in the pattern and calculate, then also 36. So this is called pattern, or in general we call it as